We are standing on the Hai Phong Pass, one of the top gear in Vietnam.
She's scared of falling, but you might just fly. Cause we be on a top floor, oh we're feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling.
Bây giờ mình đi lên Linh Ung chơi xong rồi mình đi qua Hải Phòng, đi xuống xong rồi đi ăn, xong rồi bắt đầu từ nhà hàng bên Bắc đi Hải Phòng xong đi về khách sạn gần 4 giờ.
Đâu có tiền gì đâu, chỉ là đi kiếm đồng hồ tao có tiền thôi. Đấy, ở tiếng Anh là họ gọi là basketball. Con này nó giống như một cái basket mà con em nó chỉ học là
trên núi.
Tùm lum á, tà la với mặt vào lắm Phật.
Oh, we're feeling so high. She said she's scared of falling, but you might just fly. Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we're feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, cause you know we gon' fly. Da 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 da. When you touch it right, da 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 da. You know how you make me go like da 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 da. When you do it like da 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 da. When you say yeah.
We are standing on the Hai Phong Pass, one of the top gear in Vietnam. Mainly three ways for us to go through this mountain. The most beautiful one is the motorbike one, by the motorbike, or you can go by the train track, the railway, which was built by the French during the French colonial time in the past, or you can go by the tunnel. But however, the tunnel is quite slow. You see over there, the train track is coming. It's breathtaking view.
Breathtaking.
We're gonna have a cup of coffee somewhere over there. Whatever you want. Sauce coffee, coconut coffee, condensed milk coffee, things. You know, because you came to Vietnam, it's the home of coffee. Vietnam is the second largest country exporting coffee to the overseas. Yo, welcome to Vietnam. We have every coffee. Now I'm taking you to one of the most beautiful checking point view, just on the cliff over there. So the most famous cliff for the Hai Phong Pass mountain. So you see over there. Now it's time for us to jump. Chị chụp đi á, em quay cho. Không, em thấy đẹp lắm, em thấy trong này đẹp lắm, không cần nhảy đâu. we are standing in front of the Danang Lagoon on the other side, with the most beautiful lagoon in Vietnam. Like I said before, they also tunnel way. You can see some of the trucks are going through the tunnel on the other side. Gonna have the lunch at the local restaurant over there. And one thing special in this town, most of the people in this area, they are following Christian and Catholic, which is by the Portugal or the French during the French colonial time. Yeah.
Cheers, mate.
Thôi sờ đến đi bảo bóng đây, chắc bóng.
Nãy mới.
Đây là lẩu cá gì?
Có đất.
Cá đất à?
Có đất, có chấp gì đó. Em không nhớ.
Nhìn cũng có vẻ ngon đấy. Mốc vàng như ai?
We are having steamed squid.
Đây là nước chấm này. Lại còn mấy riêng này. Mình ăn không được nhiều ấy.
Oyster already harvested.
Họ bỏ lốp xe xuống dưới mấy cái cây trụ dưới lập an để nuôi con hào.
So you can see a lot of motorbike tie along the road we go. So what is that for? So mostly the local people around there, they use the motorbike tie to put on their lagoon inside or the stick, and then 6 months later the oyster will grow on top of the motorbike tie. Best way for recycling in Vietnam. We are the developing country, but the best way to recycle everything.
Có cá đó kìa. Rồi, siêu vãi sườn.
advice in Vietnam is try to get it from reliable sites. Make sure that the rating are true and the reviews are true. For example, from Airbnb, TripAdvisor, or this time I go for Get Your Guide because they offer me the flexible cancellation and no prepayment needed. For popular places, I normally go for the best rating or the topic. I choose this tour because it sounds very fun on the reviews. Everyone say that you have to do it, it's a must do. And also I can personalize my schedule with the driver. That means eat more food, take more photos. The second tip is before booking anything, you try to check the operator's rating from the other platform like Google Reviews, TripAdvisor, or from their website. This tour company, they earn super positive reviews and their website looks professional. So after research, I decided to go for it. Although I love this, the tour is super good, the experience is good, the food is good, I made a new friend, me. Strongly recommend. I think that this episode is interesting. I'm pretty sure that you're gonna like the next episode as well. More trekking, more jumping, more waterfall, more fun.
You should do that, everyone should do that.
So it's time to say goodbye for now. And I hope to see you guys again in the next video. Bye bye.